What's up, y'all? I just want to make a quick video about what's going on with iCenter. The word on the street is iCenter has been having some problems for the last couple of days. Maintenance issues, payout issues, and just all types of issues. And I'm not going to go into details about the issues because I don't have all the information. But you can definitely go out to Google and Google. If you're a member of the site, then you know firsthand on what's going on. I'm not a member of it. I looked at it a long time ago, and it was a way to potentially be diversified into other lending platforms. And it looked interesting, but I never got involved with it. So if you are a member of it, then like I said, you know firsthand of the problems and issues that are going on. If you were looking to get involved with iCenter or join iCenter, I want to put a word out to you to proceed with caution. Okay, do some research. Do some research on this lending platform and see what's going on right now, and just proceed with caution. And also, I want to put out to both groups of people who are current members of iCenter and who are thinking about joining iCenter. Um, I want to let you know about what I'm working with, and I'm with a company called Unify. They provide trading signals for me to trade Bitcoin. And the other key thing they provide is financial information, powerful financial information. And that is really critical right now because information is power. Information drives us to make powerful decisions, drives us to make the right decisions. And with them providing us the trade signals to trade Bitcoin, we're in control. Our Bitcoin stays on our exchange. We don't turn over our Bitcoin to a lending platform and hopefully and praying that they will go out and do the lending for us. Our Bitcoin stays on our exchange. Unify provides us the signal to tell us when to buy and when to sell. And it's really, really simple. We don't have to worry about charts. We don't have to worry about terminology. Everything's really simple. So that's another option for you if you're involved with iCenter. So there's a link down in the description. Click on it, take a look around, and I'll look forward to working with you later.